Hi everyone, it's Benza here. Not long ago I came across a picture that I really liked. It was made by Sandara and it is actually the cover of a book called The Ballad of Tita May by writer John B. Dalby. No, I have not read the book. The details that grabbed my attention were the full moon, the subtly glowing mushrooms in the bottom right corner, and the reflections on the water surface. Since I have not made a night scene in a long time, I decided I would do something similar. Since my aim was not to copy this time, I did not import the picture, just created a terrain and started to work on it. I definitely wanted to keep the view position, the moon and the water. However, I wanted to have a large water surface and above it a ruined tower on the top of a cliff. For the water and the vegetation, I used nature manufacture assets. I put mountains in the background. They were available for free from the Unity asset store, just like the ruined tower. To make the water surface reflective, I used the planar reflection probe. For the moon, I put a directional light in the scene, reduced its intensity, and changed its emission to light blue. I got a picture of the moon from the internet, cut the unnecessary parts, and used the texture on the directional light. I added volumetric fog and the density volume above the water. I used the procedural sky as I usually do, but I also added an HDRI cube map for the stars. I also included a free clouds asset that I have used before. I also added a few glowing mushrooms in the corner. I was lazy, so I did not bother with making the material of the mushrooms emissive. I just added a few point lights and a few emissive particles. I also added a few more lights to make the scene more interesting. I wanted to have a flickering glow in the tower. To my luck, I found a script online that suited my needs, so I did not have to code. When all was done, I adjusted the post-processing. thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.